Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to buy jailstool crypto coin. Now, before proceeding into this video, I would like to give you a quick disclaimer that this content is for educational purposes only and this is not a financial advice. So always do your own research before investing in any of the cryptocurrencies. So here, in order to buy this coin, you will have to first of all come on coinmarketcap.com and search for jailstool. Now, why we are doing this? Because we want to know where we can actually purchase jailstool or where is it available to purchase. So once you have found it, you just have to simply click on it and then click on the markets option. Over here, it will show you all of the centralized or decentralized exchanges where you can actually purchase this token. Now, let's say you want to buy it on the centralized exchange. So you will have to simply select the tab of CEX, and here it will show you all of the exchanges where you can just simply purchase it. Like if you are residing in United States, you can directly purchase it on Kraken. For other users, you can purchase it on Bitget. So let's say you want to buy it on Bitget, so you need to simply click on this pair and it will redirect you on the official website of Bitget, where you just have to log in into your Bitget account. If you don't have an account, you can use the link that is given in the description for extra joining or sign bonuses. So once you are on Bitget, you just have to simply place the buying order and you will be able to easily purchase it. Then if you want to purchase it on a decentralized exchange, let's say you want to buy it on a phantom wallet, you just have to simply copy the contract of it from here, and after that you need to click on the extension of your phantom wallet, or you can even go in your phantom wallet account. Now over here you just have to go into the swap option, and here you need to select this option. Over here you need to paste the address that you have just copied from CoinMarketCap, and once you have found the jailstool token, you need to select it. Afterwards you just have to enter the amount here, and then it will show you the equivalent amount of jailstool token that you are going to get. So here you need to simply click on the swap now option, and you need to pay this much fees and it will automatically cut from your Solana. So you just have to click on the swap now option, and this way you will be able to buy it in your phantom wallet, and even on any of the dexes you can purchase it from this list. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and if it was, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.